there, party people! Ready to take your evening gatherings to the next level? If you're looking to elevate your evening soirees with some classy and delicious martinis, you're in the right place. Whether you're hosting a small get-together or a grand celebration, these martinis will add a touch of sophistication to your event. Let's dive into the top 5 martinis that will make your guests swoon with delight. These drinks are not just beverages, they are experiences in a glass. Kicking things off at number 1, we have the classic martini. This timeless cocktail is the epitome of elegance and simplicity. This one's a true gentleman's drink, dating back to the late 19th century. It's a staple in the world of cocktails and has stood the test of time. The recipe? Simple yet elegant. 2.5 ounces of gin, half an ounce of dry vermouth, and a lemon twist or olive. The balance of these ingredients creates a drink that's both strong and smooth. Legend has it that the martini was invented by a bartender in San Francisco who wanted to impress a gold miner. This story adds a touch of mystique to the drink. Talk about striking liquid gold. The martini is a drink that exudes class and sophistication. Next up we have the Cosmopolitan. This vibrant pink drink is not just a cocktail, it's a statement. This vibrant pink drink became a cultural icon thanks to a certain New York City-based TV show. It's the perfect drink for a night out with friends. Mix 1.5 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of cranberry juice, half an ounce of triple sec, and a splash of fresh lime juice. The combination of these ingredients creates a drink that's both tart and sweet. Shake it all up with ice and strain into a martini glass. The result is a drink that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Did you know that the Cosmo was actually created in Miami? This adds a tropical twist to its origin story. Yep, it's got that tropical flair. The Cosmopolitan is a drink that brings a bit of sunshine to any evening. Sliding into third place is the Espresso Martini. This cocktail is perfect for those nights when you need a little pick-me-up. Perfect for those nights when you need a little pick-me-up. It's a delightful blend of coffee and alcohol that will keep you going. Combine 1 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of freshly brewed espresso, and half an ounce of coffee liqueur. The rich flavors of coffee and the kick of vodka make this drink irresistible. Shake with ice and strain into a chilled glass. The result is a smooth, frothy drink that's perfect for any coffee lover. This cocktail was invented by a London bartender in the 80s after a famous model walked in and asked for something that would wake me up, then mess me up. Cheers to that. It's a drink with a story as bold as its flavor. Coming in at number 4 is the French Martini. This cocktail is a delightful blend of fruit and spirit. This one's oh so smooth and fruity. It's a drink that's both refreshing and indulgent. You'll need 1.5 ounces of vodka, half an ounce of Chambord, and 2 ounces of pineapple juice. The combination of these ingredients creates a drink that's both sweet and tangy. Shake with ice, strain and garnish with a raspberry. The raspberry adds a touch of elegance to the drink. Fun fact, despite its name, the French Martini was actually created in New York City. Sacre bleu, it's a drink that brings a bit of French flair to the Big Apple. Last but not least, we have the Lemon Drop Martini. This cocktail is a burst of citrusy goodness. Zesty and refreshing, this one's a crowd pleaser. It's the perfect drink for a hot summer evening. Mix 1.5 ounces of vodka, 3/4 of an ounce of triple sec, and 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. The combination of these ingredients creates a drink that's both tart and sweet. Shake with ice, strain, and serve with a sugared rim. The sugared rim adds a touch of sweetness to the tartness of the drink. This cocktail was born in the 1970s in San Francisco and quickly became a favorite at swanky parties. It's a drink that's both nostalgic and timeless. So there you have it, folks. 5 martinis that are sure to impress your guests and make your evening unforgettable. 5 martinis that are sure to impress your guests and make your evening unforgettable. Each of these drinks has its own unique story and flavor profile. Remember, it's not just about the drinks, but the memories you make with them. Cheers and happy hosting. The best part of any gathering is the time spent with friends and loved ones. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to host the perfect party. We've got plenty more cocktail recipes and hosting tips coming your way. Until next time, enjoy your martinis responsibly. Cheers to good times and great drinks.